In this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada Coins into Lazada Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can convert your Lazada Coins into your Lazada Wallet. So to get started, go ahead and head over into your cart or select an item that you want to buy on Lazada. This can be any item since the Lazada coin can be used by any item. So go ahead and select any item from your cart and click on the checkout button to be able to check this out. Now, there is no way for you to convert your coins into your Lazada wallet, but you can use these coins to reduce the amount that you need to pay using your Lazada wallet, which means that although you cannot convert it, it will allow you and help you to reduce the amount of money that you need to pay on Lazada using your Lazada wallet. And that is basically how you can convert your Lazada coins into Lazada wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.